welcome sign at your county line might have a different name. We're tearing up tobacco fields, you're growing up the grain. We're picking up the same beer from different corner stores. I'm out here riding my roads and you're out there riding yours. But we're all in the same truck, headed down a different two-lane, kicking up the same dust, praying for the same rain, closing down the same bars, different wishes on the same stars, getting every mile out of these good years till the day he calls us up. We're all